Welcome back.
G'day guys and girls.
So we're sitting in my car.
Yep, we're finally going to bring Tracy's car into the 21st century.
I was just about to say, why are we sitting in our car? You got me.
I beat you. Well, you know why. I've got it in my hand. They don't know, though. They don't know. Or they do if they watch our other video.
Yeah, we did unbox it and showed you what it was all about.
I mean, I'm really excited.
It's my car and he's excited. So.
Oh, I'll be driving your car more, I think.
Yeah. Anyhow, do you want to show them the little book so they know? See, Carpuride.
Okay, that's what we'll be installing. That one.
So, Carpuride.
Well, how about we tell them what model it is first? Or do you want to tell them something different?
I was telling them something different.
Okay, all right, you go.
Carpuride approached us to trial this product, but John's car, his Ford Ranger, has it all.
Because it's a 2022 model, it has all this stuff.
Yeah, and so we told them that, and we said, but well, Tracy's car doesn't have anything. So So
Tracy's car is a 2012 model. We bought it brand new then.
Mitsubishi Outlander.
Yeah, and it was the one before all the tech went crazy. So it's got no reverse camera. It's got it's got a Bluetooth, but it's been added.
My reversing thing is beep, beep, beep. And John gets in my car and he's like, well, where's your camera? Like, I just go by beeps. But now I'll have a camera.
You'll have a camera.
Yeah.
You'll have a camera, you'll have a sat-nav, you'll have everything. Because your car will automatically, as soon as you get in your car will just connect to it. Just like when you're walking home and it connects to the Wi-Fi, it will connect to this automatically.
So it's a Carpuride W103Pro.
With the reverse camera.
It's a portable, smart, multimedia, dual Bluetooth dashboard console.
It's huge.
So John's going to install it.
So it comes with two types of brackets. It's got the telescopic bracket like this one.
And that's got the suction, hasn't it?
That's got the suction, yeah, the suction. So that'll suction to your window.
Yep. Otherwise, it's got a self-adhesive bracket, which I presume you put on your dashboard.
Well, hang on a sec. We'll show them those ones.
Yep.
So it's got this other bracket here that will, if you watched the video the other day we showed you, so it's got your adhesive pad, and it's got this type of bracket that just sits on top of your dash. But I didn't want it on the dash, I wanted it on the window. And you've got this little pad for suction if you want to put this on the dash.
Oh, is that what that's for?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anyhow, we're just going to... It's supposed to be a 5-minute install. So on the back, there's your speaker.
Yep.
On the top here, that's your on-off button.
Yep.
Okay, with this on-off button, you do a short press once and it will display a volume bar. To turn it on and off, you do a long press on it to power it on and off.
Okay.
All right?
Yep.
Okay, where John's pointing there, that dot, that's the external mic port. It's 3.5 millimeters. The next bit along is the TF card insert thing. That is your cam in 2.5 millimeter.
So reverse camera.
Yeah. That is your audio out 3.5 millimeter. That one there is for your USB, which is 5 volt 2.1 amp.
It's pretty good.
And then the next one is your Type C 5 volt. Okay,
that's your power one to power it up.
Okay. So there was your power on and off button. Just down here, this little here, that's your light sensitive thing for the ambient.
So it will, as it gets dark, the screen will get darker.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, got my glasses on. We're serious today.
Yeah.
Well, it looks pretty simple.
Audio cable, is that what you were looking for?
Yep. Okay. So this is your audio cable. So you can plug it into that and it'll just hook up to your car that way.
Yeah.
This is your car charger. So you plug that into obviously your cigarette lighter or your PowerPoint thing in the car, and that plugs into your unit. So this one has an adjustable arm, a strong suction cup for better heat resistance.
I'll just pop in here. Carpuride is a global brand. It's got good product quality. It provides a 30-day, no reason after-sales service, and it has a 2-year warranty.
That's pretty good, considering how hot cars get inside. So it also comes with a cable for the reverse camera. So this is a 9-meter one. You can also get a 6-meter one. You just have to, when you place the order, you just have to tell them what length you want. And I've already jumped the gun and half installed the camera at the back. So we'll just nip out and we'll just show you the camera. So this is the camera here. Okay, so I've drilled a hole up in there to run the wires. And the wires will come through here to the reverse light there, and I'll just earth it there, and then that's it. And that's how easy it is. And plus, you run that cable from the front to the back, and that's as easy as that. So before we put it up there, I'm just going to plug these wires in now.
The R and everything.
Okay, there we go. That one's plugged in. And then we'll put the reverse camera in. Okay, and it's as easy as that. And then we need to put it on the windscreen. And there's a lever over there to lock that in. And you can just adjust this to wherever you want it. Okay, there you go. That's as easy as that. So what I'll do, I'll just run the wires down here, so they're out of the way. So look how nice and tidy that looks. And then later on I'll run these better down the bottom. But I've got to hook the reverse camera up next. So okay, I'll just go and hook the camera up, and we'll be back and we'll plug it in and we'll see how it all goes. What's that? Oh, because the other wire's there, that's why. Okay, so there's the wires that go through there. Where's the other one here? And that goes into there. And that goes around there. I will solder this up later, but this is just for now. And the earth will go just under there. Wrong one. So the power wire goes there. And that. And then I'll just undo this a little bit. Okay, there we go. We're all done for the reverse camera. So I've got a bit of electrical tape here. With the joiners, I always just put a bit of electrical tape around them. So what the electrical tape does, it just stops them from coming apart eventually. They may never come apart, but it's just, say you don't have to pull all the trim apart and think, oh, why isn't it working? And then have to go through all that stuff again, but yeah. Okay, because it's going to go all up in there. All the wires will be all up in there. So this is your power circuit. You just stick that in there. Okay, and it's done. So we should, by rights now, if I turn the car ignition on, we should have power. There we go, look at that. How good does that look?
So that startup screen then, something I need to tell you. You can let Carpuride know your logo that you want on there. It doesn't have to say Carpuride. So we can say only leaving footprints.
Ooh.
And so all you've got to do is email them. And I'm not now, this is one thing I'm not sure of. I'm not sure if this is when you put your order in or you can do it at a later time.
Yeah, I'm not sure either.
Not sure. But yeah, you can let them know what logo you want. You can have a logo of your car.
Yeah, you can have Ford, Toyota, Hyundai.
Picture of your grandchildren.
Whatever you want.
Anything you want, you can just let them know. And instead of that Carpuride coming up, you can have a different screen.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
That is cool.
So we've got to turn the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi function
Go
on.
to settings. Okay. So English, we're right for time. Do you want to set the time? No.
Bluetooth.
Oh, Bluetooth.
Oh, do we have to pair it?
Yes, we do. Where's your phone? If we do that, it's searching for your phone.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it's searched and it's found my iPhone.
So
okay.
touch that.
Pair it.
Hang on, it's gone. Yeah, pair it.
just pair
Pair.
it.
Yeah. Okay, done.
Just done?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't have to touch it. Done. All right, look at this. Oh, it says Tracy's S10.
Let me ring it and see what happens now.
Righto, so it's the first time I'm using this reverse camera. So I've just pulled up at a place. I'm on a private residence. It's in the backyard and there's a parking area. So I'm going to have a whirl at using it. That's a really clear picture. So yeah, I'm glad I've still got my beep beep things, because I don't think I'd be able to handle not using my beep beeps anymore. But yeah, that was pretty good. I only did a little one just so you could see it. Yeah, so far so good.
So we're just going to show you the reverse camera on the Carpuride.
Because I've already filmed it, John. You don't know this. I've already filmed it. So
Okay.
I've already filmed it, but it was at work and it was a little bit
Iffish?
oh yeah, it's probably a bit glary.
Okay.
So-
it's fantastic, trust me. Like,
I'll
have a go at these.
Okay.
That's the view from the camera. Just back up a little bit so they can actually see the...
Oh, there you
like
go.
that. Yeah. Look at
Alright.
that. How good is that? And this is a very tight spot.
Because
Watch the mirror on the pole. Look at that. That is just unbelievable. Even the GPS is unbelievable. It works great.
yeah.
No lag. Perfect. I would really recommend those to anyone.
Jeez, that's close, isn't it?
Jesus. It is.
Okay.
I think you've got to zoom in. Anyway,
I don't know. All right, so we'll end it there.
we'll end it there.
We'll end it there for sure. But anyhow,
Big thumbs up.
Well, I've had it in the car for a couple of weeks, and yeah, I think it's been good. It's been hard for me to get used to, and it was a bit longer for us to install.
Now I've just closed
John
the
says put the
door.
roller door down. Yeah, it wasn't a 5-minute install for us, but we're old.
Oh, yeah, but don't forget, we also hooked the reverse camera up as well.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Bye. Our faces looks like bobbleheads.